Today we're tackling a frustrating issue when your device is connected to Wi-Fi but you can't access the internet. If you're facing this problem, don't worry, I'll guide you some effective troubleshooting steps to get you back online. Let's dive in. First things first, let's check if your internet connection is actually working. See if all the devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network can access the internet. If they can, the issue might be with a specific device. Next thing, look at your router's lights. If the internet light is off or red, there may be an issue with your ISP. Restart your router by unplugging it for about 10 seconds, then plugging it back in. Next, let's restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve connectivity issues. Press and hold the power button until you see the option to restart. This refreshes the network settings and can often fix the problem. If restarting didn't work, try forgetting the Wi-Fi network and reconnecting. Go to Settings, go to your device's Wi-Fi, tap on the network you're connected to and select Forget this network. Find the network again, enter the password and reconnect. Sometimes the issue might be related to your IP address. Here's how to check. Go to Wi-Fi settings and select the network. Look for the IP address settings and make sure it's set to automatic or DHCP. If it's set to static, you might need to change it back. And that's it. You've learned how to troubleshoot the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue. I hope these steps help you get back online.